Hey guys, it's me, and I'm super excited because yesterday my new brown dog came. The reason I didn't make a video of opening it yesterday is because my dad didn't tell me it came until this morning. Super excited. Oh my gosh. See her. Oh my gosh. I hope she's interested. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. Here she is, and this is Clea. She is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, and she smells good too. So yeah. So she's just like brand new, mainly just she doesn't have code, so yeah, but she feels brand new, and yeah. So here's her tag. Brown dog and her W. And she so cute, and this is Clea.